Plants provide shelter to a large number of animals. Monkeys and birds live on trees, and some insects live on herbs. Plants give us wood that can be used to build houses, boats, and furniture. Mango, teak, and neem are some of the trees used for these purposes. Cotton and jute plants give us thread and fiber, which goes into making clothes. These clothes are more comfortable to wear. Food, clothing, and shelter. Does it stop there? Plants give us much more. Some plants like aloe vera, mint, and tulsi are used to make medicines. Eucalyptus oil from the eucalyptus tree is a great cold and pain reliever. What's that? A tire. Now, that does not come from a plant, right? Wrong. Rubber, out of which tires are made, comes from rubber trees. The sap or the juice of the tree is used to make rubber. Gum also comes from certain trees. Neem and eucalyptus are examples. Perfume from roses, soaps from jasmine, talcum powders with the scent of lavender. It's a long list of flowers from plants. Plants clean the air around them. Do you know how? When plants make their food, they use carbon dioxide and leave out oxygen that we need to breathe. But it is sad that hundreds of trees are cut down to provide paper to the whole world. Next time you waste paper, won't you think twice?